click on a cooking pot to learn more. This lesson will help you make a production plan. A production plan should contain the step-by-step process we should take in preparing the product, the materials, equipment, where we will get the ingredients and stuff like that. You may want to get a paper and pencil and try to help Betty prepare a production plan for her eatery business. The product. This portion should describe the products that you will prepare and sell. In Betty's case, the food that she sells in her eatery: rice, egg and tapa for 1 serving of tapsilog. The manufacturing process. This portion should contain the step-by-step process you will actually follow in putting together your finished products. In Betty's case, is the steps to follow in preparing the food she will serve. Plant size and production. This portion should describe how big your place of business will be, as well as the future developments you might want to make on your business area as soon as you have enough money. In Betty's case, she will put up a small eatery that will cater the tricycle drivers in the neighborhood. Machinery and equipment. This portion should contain information of the different tools, utensils, machines, appliances, and the like that you will use in producing your products. In Betty's case, she will need cooking wares such as stoves, pans, ladles, etc. She will also need kitchen utensils, tables and chairs to serve the food. Location. This portion should describe the location of your establishment, its proximity to your suppliers, as well as its accessibility to your customers. In Betty's case, the location will be inside their subdivision. It is close to the tricycle terminal around the corner of the subdivision. This portion should contain the floor plan of your business establishment based on the step-by-step process of production you will follow. Building and facilities. This portion should include information about the building you will use for the business, as well as the costs you will incur. In Betty's case, they will use the lot given to them by her husband's father. Raw materials and supplies. This portion should describe each of the materials you will use in producing the goods you will sell. You should also discuss their availability as well as its cost at present and in the future. Utilities. This portion should include how much you will allocate for all the utilities you will need in making your actual products. These include payments for electric bill, water bill, LPG, and the like. Waste disposal. This portion should say how you are going to dispose of your different wastes. You should indicate here whether you are going to recycle, reuse, or sell your various wastes. Labor requirements. This portion should tell the readers how many workers your business will have, as well as how much each of them is going to get at present and in the near future. In production cost, this portion should give the details on how much each of your various products cost before and after production. You just finished lesson 3. Click on Game button to take